Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add exclusion on Windows Defender. So Windows Defender will not disturb this kind of files or folder or anything you add into the exclusions item. So let's start. You can open Windows Defender or Windows Security from your search folder, filter, sorry. Here you can click on virus threat protection. You can click this and you can click on manage settings. Next steps, you can scroll down and try to find exclusions. Microsoft Defender antivirus will not scan items that have been excluded. Excluded items could contain threats that make your device vulnerable, so do it with your own risk. And here you can click add or remove exclusion. You can click yes, and here we go. You can click plus button to add an exclusion. You can click on file, folder, file type, or the process itself. So the Windows or the Microsoft Defender will not interrupt the process, will not delete a file or folder or the file type. So feel free to try to add something into your exclusion list. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.